Ciao and benvenuto. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the App Center to reduce the number of inquiries you're going to handle. So people love to self-serve, so you need to give them a way to do it. And App Center is the best way to achieve so. Before talking about how to build an App Center, we need to understand what it is. An App Center is just an aggregation of all your knowledge base articles and where people can actually go to find help. That's the definition of an App Center. So as you can see on the top, there is a way for your customers to search for an answer themselves. They can search for it and they can also explore all the collections. These over here are collections, and you can divide your Help Center in different collections to better organize them. So let's go into contacts listing companies, for example, and as you can see, there is a title of the collection, a description of the collection, and an icon of the collection. Here you can see a series of articles that has been written from your teammates. So let's go, for example, for this one, and you can see there will be a series of text, images to better share your knowledge, a knowledge base, for instance. But also the App Center has been included in our live chat. So basically your customers can also find a way to their solution directly into the live chat. So here they can find, for example, the same article if they search for contact properties. It's the same article, different medium, but as you can see, people will not abandon your software if you're using the live chat with the Help Center included in it. That's great, but let's go back to the actual creation. Here we go back to the creation. As you might see, we have got two collections over here, and we can start creating a new one. We can search for an icon, okay, and then we can add the description. We can save this new collection right now, and now if we go in it, there are no articles, of course. Let's create one. Now we are going to start with the title. I strongly suggest you to add a title that is very similar to the questions your customers are doing to your support. This way they're going to match exactly the solution they are searching for. For this tutorial, for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to use just a welcome and customerly. And now we're going to paste the content. So let's grab a video URL from YouTube, and we can click on the video icon, paste the video of YouTube and add it. That's great. Now what we're going to need is adding a description of this article. Cool. Now we're going to use some keywords to help our AI in order to reply automatically to the customer. So for this example, we're going to use welcome. So now we're going to save the changes, and that's it. The article is being created successfully. We can always change the author, or we can always change the collection. This is the slug. You can customize the slug, and now we can preview how the article will be. Remember, when you're ready to publish, you will need to change this to publish and then save the changes as well. Now, let's check this article out. Boom. It's ready. Remember, people can always click on any of these icons and give you answers why they like it or not, this article. To go back to your editor, you can always click on edit this article, and it's going to bring you back to the editor. Now let's go back to this collection. As you can see, there is an article over here that is not supposed to be in here. So let's go in there, change the collection to the right one. Now let's save it. Great, now the article has been moved under another collection. If we go back to the collection, we will see that the sorting is not right. The second article should be on the top of the third article. So to move it, just handle this on the top, and that's it. You can always change the status of your articles in here by switching to draft or switching to published. To edit any of your collection, click on Edit Collection. Now, as you can see, each article has performance stats. You can always see them here, or you can go to Reports. You're gonna see the number of total feedback you received, bad, neutral, good feedback. And you can always see like the number of article views and failed searches. You wanna focus on failed searches. These are failed searches. What they are? Basically, every time someone is searching a term that is not covered within your Help Center articles, it's gonna appear here. So if you see something that can be covered within your articles, you can either add a tag with the searched terms to the related article, or you can add an article and then come back here and mark as done. Here we go. Here is how you improve your Help Center in order to reduce every time, every single day, the number of tickets you're getting. If you scroll down, you're gonna see the trending articles for the entire period of time. What if I want to improve some article based on the bad feedback? I'm gonna go here and change and sort it by bad feedback. There is none. So that means that our team made a great job about writing articles that are solving issues. You can always sort for any good feedback, bad feedback, or visits. Now, if you want to customize a little bit the Help Center, you're gonna go to under Settings and General, Appearance, Footer, or Messenger. So in general, you're gonna change the name of your Help Center. You can add a link to your home page, this one here on the top. The status is gonna be public or not. If you're gonna turn this off, basically the Help Center, it will not be reachable. If you want to show the messenger within your Help Center, like we are doing over here, then select Show Messenger. The subdomain is something you're gonna set as soon as you start a new Help Center in Customerly. So this will be your actual address that you're redirecting your customer to. So people will be able to go to your Help Center by typing unicorno.customerly.help. Let's say you want to push your Help Center under help.unicorno.com. This way, we're going to deploy the Help Center under help.unicorno.com. There are additional settings that you need to do in order to customize your domain. Check the documentation because you will need to add some DNS TXT to verify this. Also, consider that you can add any Google Tag Manager or Analytics in order to track or take more control about your Help Center documentation. Let's go to the appearance. Appearance is the main color of the Help Center. The logo you're gonna find on the top, and the favicon you're gonna find in any tab browser. You can always change this and preview the entire Help Center. On the footer side, you can add any social links or you can add footer links. Those are footer links and those are the social links. So if you want to add any of your assets over here, such as, I don't know, your YouTube channel, any academy you've got, any Facebook group, any blog, you can always add it right there under footer links. Last but not least, Messenger. This is how you can change your behavior of the Help Center in the Messenger. So you can always add your Help Center, as you can see over here, by enabling the Show in Messenger. This is one of the most important switch you can enable. Auto-reply to question with AI. What is it and how is it working? Let me show you. Let's assume your customer asked for something that has been asked for a while and you have got an article covering that issue. As you can see, Customerly is auto-replying for you with a series of articles they have found. So if they click on it, they can always find a way to self-serve and solve the issue without any interaction of your customer support team. This is one of the coolest parts of Customerly and has been saving plenty of time of our customers. So this is Help Center. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video and it's gonna help your business to grow and better self-serve your customers. Ciao!